So I have this sample app which is on platform version 2.0. So let me use Freddy Copilot for developers to migrate it to 3.0 platform version. So I will initiate app migration using Freddy Copilot for developers by selecting platform version 3.0. So Freddy Copilot for developers has already kickstarted the migration. Now let's wait for the migration to complete for us to be able to merge the code changes. Great. Now the migration is complete and I can see all the files where there are proposed code changes. So for example, if I go to the manifest.json file, I can see the platform version is 3.0. Instead of fresh test product, I have modules and so on. And similarly, all other different files where there are proposed code changes. I can go through each file, and if I believe I want to merge their changes, I can select that file. Please note that there are certain configuration files that should always be merged for a successful app migration. Now I can also click on select all files and all my files will be merged. Now once I've selected all the files that I want to merge, I'll click on merge selected files and my changes are merged. Now if I want to refer to the old code or the proposed code changes, I can always go back to this migration report.html. This report exists for every completed migration in your app folder under copilot_migration folder, and you can always refer to it. So let me open this report. This report provides a complete summary of the migration, the app name in its initial platform version, its target platform version, when did migration complete, and all the files and their proposed code changes. I can go to manifest.json and I can see my old code and the new merged code. This helps me to refer back to my old code, and in case there are any minor JavaScript errors before I can submit this app, I can refer here and I can do those changes and complete migration and submit that app. This migration report is always available under copilot_migration folder, as you can see here. Now, right after the migration is complete, depending on your experience, you can provide feedback. If you have any negative feedback or any suggestions for improvement, you can click here and you can provide your feedback. Or if your migration experience was great, you can simply give a thumbs up. We value developers' feedback a lot, and we actively look at all the feedback that we get to do improvements. Thank you.